Skills are changing, and so should your skilling strategy. A talent strategy alone is not enough. Without insights, there's a risk of disconnecting workforce skill needs from organizational objectives. It's time to connect the broken pieces. Meet Lumofy, an AI-powered talent management platform designed to give you strategic clarity and revolutionize the way you manage all your skilling needs. Introducing Lumofy's Skills-First ecosystem, where we bring together everything you need to understand, develop, and optimize skills in one place. Begin your journey with Lumofy Align to precisely identify key competencies that drive your team's performance. Assess your workforce skills with Lumofy Analyze. Develop those skills with hyper-personalized pathways using Lumofy Build. Drive performance and foster continuous improvement with Lumofy Boost. We equip you with the tools, insights, and guidance to transform your workforce skills. We think about your business objectives, making Lumofy AI create your unique competency framework in minutes, reflecting your own organizational direction. We help you gain a deep understanding of your team's capabilities and areas for growth. We have gathered different tools to support you in measuring the right competencies by gathering feedback from all angles, uncovering hidden talents, skills, and abilities with assessments tailored to your specific objectives. We drive talent mobility by outlining future career opportunities for your team. We don't leave skill gaps to chance. We take action to close them with targeted skills-based pathways. We give you access to thousands of courses for every industry and every need. We also give you the option to build your own content with unlimited flexibility, or simply, we offer you our team's collective expertise to guide you in taking your vision from 1 to 100, developing custom content that perfectly aligns with your goals. We ensure skills have a meaningful impact, connecting individual, team, and organizational goals to drive business outcomes. Experience it all in one platform that seamlessly integrates with your favorite HR systems. The results? Smarter talent decisions, greater skill growth. Let us turn complexity into clarity and keep your growth cycle connected by placing insights at its core. Your journey starts here, where Lumofy becomes your strategic enabler. We provide guidance to turn a talent strategy into reality with a holistic skills-first ecosystem. Lumofy empowers you to give your people the skills they need to build the future they want.